Hello social media enthusiasts. Welcome back to AnHome Tech Tips. Today, we're going to dive into an important topic, how to deactivate your Facebook profile. Whether you want to protect your privacy or just curious about this feature, let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch the Facebook app on your mobile device. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap your profile photo or name to navigate to your profile. Step 3. Lock your profile. Tap the three dots menu at the top of your profile. Select Lock Profile and continue to select Lock Your Profile. Step 4. Confirm action. What happens when you lock your profile? Your past and future posts, photos, and stories are only visible to friends. If you cancel the operation, select Learn More and select Unlock Profile. Confirm action by clicking Unlock Your Profile. Once completed, your profile will return to its normal state. Profile and tag reviews are enabled to prevent unwanted content. Most of your About section is only visible to friends. Thanks for watching. Hope this information will be useful to you.